Day 5 wake-up call to the 7 astronauts and cosmonauts on board Space Shuttle Atlantis marked a new phase of this mission, the maintenance of equipment inside the International Space Station. The crew gathered on the shuttle middeck Monday afternoon to review their plans for the day. Then, mission specialists Yuri Usachov and Susan Helms, who, along with crewmate Jim Voss, will return to the station next year as the second long-duration crew to live there, put their station training to work. They opened the hatch and pressurized mating adapter number 2, and after conducting final checks, they opened the hatch into the node, leading the third group of international space travelers inside the International Space Station's Unity module, and then from PMA-1 into the Zarya control module. The first job was to test the quality of the air inside the station and to install air ducting to improve the circulation of fresh air from the shuttle through the components of ISS. Poor air circulation is believed to be a cause of the degraded air quality encountered by the previous crew in some parts of the station. So this mission arrived with new environmental procedures to help ensure the safety of the crew members. After the checks on the station's environmental system, Usachov and Helms opened the floor panel in Zarya to begin one of the top priority tasks of this mission to extend the life of the control module, battery replacement. In a repeat of a task Usachov conducted many times during his 2 trips to the Mir space station, he and Helms removed 2 of the Russian-built batteries and their attendant electronics control boxes and installed replacement components. Voss described their work and the hardware.
Yeah, you probably figured out when we changed out the battery and we were replacing the boots with the new one added in the fasteners, and Yuri as well with the hole at the top. They converted it to a cut on the battery.
Flight controllers will monitor the battery during the nearly day-long charge-up period. There are plans to replace 1 additional set of battery equipment on each of the next 2 days of docked operations, leaving the station with 4 new batteries out of its complement of 6. In the meantime, mission specialist Mary Ellen Weber took up her station in the SafeHab module, preparing the transfer of supplies for ISS. During the docked period of this mission, the crew of Atlantis is to bring more than a ton of material onto the station, including water, exercise and medical equipment, clothes, and other personal supplies for the expedition crews. After a full day's work inside the station, the 7 space travelers reviewed their progress as well as the plans for the coming day. That includes replacing another battery block, transferring more logistics and supplies, and boosting the station's altitude in preparation for July's planned arrival of its next component, the service module, Zvezda.